Hey there, it's so good to have you here. If you've ever dreamed of exploring somewhere totally unforgettable, Turkey might just be calling your name. In the next 3 minutes, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of Turkey's absolute top sites. So buckle up. This country is way more than just baklava beautiful beaches. Let's kick things off in the city where East meets West, Istanbul. You haven't really seen Istanbul until you've stood under the massive domes of the Hagia Sophia. It's over 1,500 years old. It was a church. It was a mosque. Now it's a museum. Right across, the Blue Mosque stuns with 6 minarets and shimmering blue tiles. Walk through the bustling Grand Bazaar. Hand-woven carpets, Turkish delight, try not to get lost. But Turkey isn't just about city life. Let's head to Cappadocia, waking up before dawn, climbing into a hot air balloon, floating over fairy tale rock chimneys, hidden cave homes. It's one of those bucket list moments. Next up, Pamukkale's dazzling white terraces. Natural mineral pools that look like snow. Dip your toes in warm thermal waters. Gaze over ancient Roman ruins. Ready for the coast? The turquoise waters of the Turkish Riviera are legendary. A Ludeniz, paraglide off a mountain, or chill on a soft sandy beach. Wander the ruins of Ephesus. The library facade, straight out of a movie set. Of course, food in Turkey deserves its own tour. Fresh kebab, crispy simit, a steaming cup of Turkish tea. Baklava tastes even better where it was invented. Jaw-dropping sights, mouth-watering food, a little bit of adventure. Turkey has it all. I hope this quick trip inspired your travel list. Hit that like button, subscribe for more adventures, and tell me in the comments, where in Turkey would you explore first? See you in the next video. Take a ferry across the Bosphorus, and you'll literally travel between continents in minutes. Explore the opulent Topkapi Palace where Ottoman sultans once ruled their empire. Relax in a traditional Turkish bath, a ritual that's been perfecting relaxation for centuries. In Cappadocia, discover cave churches with 1,000-year-old frescoes hidden in plain sight. Venture into underground cities that once sheltered entire communities. Watch the sunset over Pamukkale's Cotton Castle, nature's own masterpiece. Hike the Lycian Way, where ancient ruins meet stunning coastal views at every turn. Discover hidden beaches like Butterfly Valley, accessible only by boat or a challenging hike. Wander through Antalya's Old Town, where Roman, Byzantine, and Ottoman history layers together. Witness the hypnotic dance of whirling dervishes, a spiritual tradition dating back 800 years. Watch master weavers create carpets using techniques passed down through generations. Let your senses guide you through the Egyptian Spice Bazaar's rainbow of flavors and aromas. Start your day with a traditional Turkish breakfast. It's not just a meal, it's a celebration. Share meze with new friends, small plates that bring people together around the table. End your meal with Turkish coffee, so important to the culture it's UNESCO protected. Every sunrise in Turkey feels like the first day of an incredible adventure. But what you'll remember most is the warmth of Turkish hospitality. Strangers become family. Turkey doesn't just give you photos for Instagram, it gives you stories for a lifetime. If this wanderlust is calling your name, hit subscribe and let's explore more incredible destinations together.